Hi there, my name is Professor Marvin, and I'd like to welcome you to Governmental and Nonprofit Accounting, an upper level advanced accounting course here at Tiffin University. So I will be your instructor for the next 7 weeks as we move through this term. So I just wanted to draw your attention to a few things on Moodle, just so we can get off on the right foot. So within the Start Here section, you'll read a little introduction of the course. You'll also notice the link here for the syllabus, as well as a link here to a little introduction of myself. What I wanted to draw your attention to most specifically in the syllabus as you read through that, please do make sure that you keep track of the due dates and the cadence of the course as we move throughout the term. We do have some activities that are due on Wednesday, some other activities that are due on Sunday. So make sure that you get those calendared, either pencil and paper, in your phone as an app, whatever your due date tracking mechanism is, and we'll be sure to get off on the right foot there. The other kind of key thing that I wanted to just draw your attention to in my introduction is the top of that form there. You'll notice my email as well as my cell phone number. So please feel free to send me an email at any time. Give me a call, give me a text. And another way to get a hold of me is right here in the course room in the communication center. So that's where you can go back and review any of the announcements that have been posted over the course of the term. Those will be populating there. If you have some questions or anything, you can also post them in this question and answer forum. And that also allows you guys as students to also kind of collaborate a little bit in that space. So a few other things just to kind of get acclimated to the course. Each of the weeks, we have quite a bit, with this being an online course, only 7 weeks long. It's a pretty rapid pace. So most of the weeks, we're going to be covering 2 chapters through the different activities. So make sure that you get in early and get caught up and updated and plugged in on those assignments. So as we look at week 1 rather, we see chapters 1 and 2 from the textbook, some reading, presentation, PowerPoint slides are here, and here due by Wednesday. These are the activities, assignments that need to be completed by Wednesday. And then on Saturday, we need to have some responses around for those introductions. And by Sunday, we have some more activities, homework, as well as quizzes for the chapters. So I also wanted to kind of introduce you to the mcgrawhillconnect website. So you can see that here. What you'll notice in the Connect once you log in, so to connect, right here. This course will use an online lab, mcgrawhillconnect. The other really cool thing is that anywhere in the course where you see the activities here, complete in mcgrawhillconnect, that's a hyperlink to get back into mcgrawhillconnect. So anywhere where you see that in the course, you don't have to go to the Start Here. You can go just these other places where you see that link, and that's going to bring you into this website. So here we have the activities that are due for week 1, the Smart Book for chapter 1, as well as the Smart Book for chapter 2. Both of those are due on Wednesday during week 1. Then the other activities, the homework and the quiz for chapter 1 are due Sunday, as well as the homework and the quiz for chapter 2. So you can open those up, you can work ahead, you have that flexibility. The other thing that you'll notice in this course on the syllabus is that there is not any exams. So we have our smart book, we have our homeworks, we have our quizzes, and we have a comprehensive final project. So that comprehensive final project, worth almost 20% of your grade, is right here in McGraw-Hill Connect, the instructions for it. So what you're going to want to do is open this up, follow the instructions. There's some software to download, and there's activities that go along with most of the chapters, starting in chapter 2. And then every chapter there's some activities that you can do for this city, the city of Smithville, through that program. So I'd encourage you to just kind of get acclimated to that during week 1, get it downloaded, kind of check it out a little bit, and then we'll be working a lot with it in the weeks to come. So overall, that's what I wanted to cover here in just this brief introduction. How to get a hold of me, how to navigate the course a little bit, and just do know that I am available anytime for help. If you want to jump on a Zoom session and go through any of the problems with the homework or with that comprehensive problem, more on that as we get going throughout the course. But just wanted to kind of give you a good introduction to what we're up against and get off to the right foot. So look forward to reading your introductions in the class here as we get going. And any questions, please feel free to let me know, and we'll go from there. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a great day.